A very good morning to all of you. Today's topic is that Indian astronomers they discovers the largest galaxy, and it will be presented by me. I am Kulbhushan Singh. Okay, so first we'll see what is the news. The news is that India's first multi-wavelength space observatory, that is AstroSat, it has detected extreme UV light from a galaxy which is located 9.3 billion light years away from the Earth. This galaxy is called as AUDX01, which has been discovered by a team of astronomers led by Dr. Kanak Saha from Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, which is based in Pune. Now, the significance lies that this discovery has been reported in the leading international journal Nature Astronomy, which is being published from Britain. Okay, so this was the news. Now we'll see the background of this news. For the background, for the exam point of view, for us, the important part is what is AstroSat. So AstroSat is the first dedicated Indian astronomy mission which is aimed at studying celestial sources in X-ray, optical and UV spectral bands simultaneously. So this is the unique feature of the AstroSat mission. What it is that it enables these simultaneous multi-wavelength observations of various astronomical objects with a single satellite. Okay, so what it is doing? It is studying celestial sources in three different spectral bands. Which are those spectral bands? One is X-ray, another is optical, the third is UV spectral band. Okay, with a single satellite. Then some facts about this AstroSat. The lift-off mass for this satellite was 15 kgs. It was launched on September 28, 2015 into a 650-kilometer orbit which is inclined at an angle of 6 degrees to the equator. It was launched with the help of PSLV-C30 and the minimum useful life is 5 years as per ISRO. Okay, the control center is Mission Operations Complex of ISTRAC, which is based in Bangalore. We'll also see what is ISTRAC, what are the objectives of ISTRAC. Okay, then the data processing center is the Indian Space Science Data Center, which is located at Bailalu. So this was the AstroSat, something about AstroSat. These are the instruments of AstroSat. As we can see, this is large area X-ray proportional counter, LAXPC, then UVIT, CZTI, then SSM, then SXT. We'll not go into details of these things. Okay. Earlier also, this observatory have identified a new population of ultraviolet stars in the globular cluster NGC 2808 in 2019. So this thing can also be asked in exam. That apart from this discovery, another discovery has been made by this AstroSat in the year 2019. Now, what are these globular clusters? These are the collection of thousands to millions of stars moving as one unit. Okay, this is known as globular cluster. Now, the important part is only the US, European Space Agency, Japan and Russia have such observatories in space. Okay. Then next, we'll see the objectives. Number one objective is to understand high energy process in binary star systems containing neutron stars and black holes. Now, this is a neutron star. What is a neutron star? It is a celestial object of very small radius, roughly around 30 kilometers radius, and very high density. These are thought to form by the gravitational collapse of the remnant of a massive star after a supernova explosion. So these are the neutron stars. Then to estimate the magnetic fields of neutron stars. Then third is to study the star birth regions and high energy processes in star systems having beyond our galaxy. The fourth is to detect new briefly bright X-ray sources in the sky. And the fifth is to perform a limited deep field survey in the universe in the UV region. So these are some of the objectives of AstroSat mission. After this, we'll see the launch vehicle. This PSLV-C30, it was the rocket which was used to launch this AstroSat mission. Okay? It is the third generation launch vehicle of India, and it is the first Indian launch vehicle to be equipped with liquid stages. It already had successfully launched Chandrayaan-1 and MOM Mars Orbiter mission. Now, along with AstroSat, six smaller satellites from different countries like Canada, like Indonesia and USA were also launched into the orbit by this PSLV-C30. It is a four-stage rocket. The first and the third stage uses solid, and the second and the fourth stage uses liquid fuel. Okay, then we'll see this ISTRAC. What is ISTRAC? ISTRAC is the ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network. This command network ISTRAC, it is situated in Bangalore or Bengaluru, and it is entrusted with the responsibility to provide tracking support for all the satellite and launch vehicle missions of ISRO. The ground stations of ISTRAC are located at Bangalore, Lucknow, Sriharikota, Port Blair, Tiruvananthapuram, then important Mauritius, Brunei, Biak, and the Deep Space Network stations. Okay? These are very important, that apart from stations in India, the ground stations of ISTRAC are also located in foreign locations. Okay? Then next, we'll see the objectives of ISTRAC: to carry out mission operations of all operational remote sensing and scientific satellites, then providing telemetry, tracking and command services from launch vehicle liftoff till injection of satellite into the orbit, then to provide space operation support for deep space missions of ISRO, then to undertake development of radar systems for launch vehicle tracking and meteorological applications, then to establish and operationalize the ground segment for Indian Regional Navigational Satellite System or IRNES. Okay. These are the some of the objectives of ISTRAC. This is the antenna dedicated for ISTRAC. It is the mission operation complex which was used for this AstroSat, and it is situated in ISTRAC, Bangalore. Okay, so this was all about ISTRAC and AstroSat. Thank you.